Let's start with a vivid scene. Imagine your team is up for a multi-million-dollar government contract, but time is ticking and every detail matters. The last RFP demanded documentation you didn't expect. The competition is fierce, and procurement wants proof that every automation part you specify is genuinely American-made. Suddenly, Build America, Buy America isn't just another acronym. It's the difference between closing the deal or watching another project slip away. Right now, Build America. Buy America compliance isn't an option, it's a race. OEM buyers and engineers find themselves at the crossroads of reputation and opportunity, where a single unchecked box means lost revenue and lost relationships. Navigating these new rules isn't just about winning business, it's about protecting your brand, your margin, and your future in U.S. manufacturing. Let's break down not just what Build America, Buy America means, but why quick, confident action sets leaders apart in the new era of American infrastructure. Build America, Buy America is more than a policy buzzword. It's a turning point. At its core, this legislation demands that federal infrastructure projects use products and materials made right here in the United States. If you're an OEM buyer or an engineer providing automation solutions for these projects, compliance is now mission critical. Ignore Build America, Buy America, and you risk missed contract opportunities, lost trust, and last-minute scrambles for documentation. Let's break down what this means in the real world. The deadlines are here. As of this year, major assemblies, like those in critical water or highway controls, must have their final build in the US, and the component value minimum keeps rising. Your supply chain can no longer be an afterthought. It is now a competitive edge. But here's the opportunity. Build America. Buy America is not just a restriction, it's a door. It's a chance to restore American manufacturing muscle, to build partnerships that are local and robust, and to deliver on timelines when global shipping falters. When you source compliant automation products, you strengthen your bids, smooth your procurement path, and help shape the next era of U.S. industry. What's the practical playbook for OEM buyers? First, document everything. You need certificates and clear origins for your actuators, controllers, I/O systems, and more. Every spec sheet, every invoice matters. Partner with suppliers who understand the rulebook and can provide this level of detail without a hassle. Second, choose partners who are ready for scrutiny. Take Automation Distribution's approach. They showcase product lines from Horner Automation, controllers, display panels, and modular I/O systems. All Build America, Buy America compliant, all made domestically, all ready for your next public works project. You can verify it, order it, and trust that you're moving a step ahead of compliance. Then there's Pfannenberg. Think about the unsung heroes of process reliability. Cooling units, heat exchangers, the thermal management pieces, so easy to overlook but so critical to uptime. Pfannenberg's US-made solutions like the DTS washdown cooling units or stainless enclosures give you the power to meet code while future-proofing your systems against harsh environments. So when you're mapping project plans or responding to federal RFPs, ask yourself, are you enabling your team to win or leaving compliance to chance? Are you relying on distributors who provide documentation support or hoping it'll work out later? In an era where supply chain integrity is as important as price, selecting Build America, Buy America. Qualified automation parts isn't just a checkbox. It's your opportunity to push American engineering forward. And that leads to the big takeaway. Build America, Buy America. Compliance is not just about oversight. It's a pivot point for quality, reliability, and industry leadership. If you act now by choosing the right partners, documenting every transaction, and specifying American-made controllers and cooling systems, you'll not only meet the letter of the law, you'll be setting a new standard for project excellence. Because at the end of the day, building America isn't just about following the rules. It's about being part of a legacy, where every compliant part, every certified partner, and every successful project moves us all forward. Take decisive action to make Build America, Buy America compliance your competitive advantage. Connect with Automation Distribution today for expert sourcing, thorough documentation support, and access to certified Horner and Pfannenberg automation solutions. Start your next infrastructure project with confidence. Yet reach out now and turn compliance into new business wins.